Hello, classic car lovers. Welcome to AZ Classic Cars Cheap. Here, we'll be discussing classic Prostreet cars, from their brutal looks, ferocious engines, to their spine-chilling build details. If you love muscle cars, drag racing, and classics with extreme modifications, subscribe now and go with us. One, 1957 Hillman Husky, priced at $29,000. As listed, this 57 Husky is a compact but extremely aggressive Prostreet car. Power comes from a 468 big block engine, supplemented by a nitrous system. The seller notes that the car has been run on 110-octane race fuel, though is also capable of running on premium pump gas. Ignition duties are handled by an MSD ignition system. The drivetrain features a PowerGlide automatic transmission, equipped with a stall converter and trans brake, along with line lock for control launches. Power is sent to a narrowed 4.9-inch rear end fitted with 5.38 gears, and the sale includes extra drag slicks. Chassis and safety equipment include a full frame, full roll cage, race seats, and a 6-point harness. Exhaust is handled by Zumi headers, and the seller mentions that an additional set of headers is included for anyone looking to quiet the car down. Despite its race-oriented setup, the Hillman is described as street legal and regularly driven to car shows, limited mainly by its 6-gallon fuel cell range. The car has reportedly accumulated 1,500 miles since completion and is shown frequently. The asking price is $29,000. Clean title. Located in Susanville, California. 2. 1968 Chevrolet Camaro. Listed at $40,000. According to the listing, this 68 Camaro was built as a dedicated 1/8 and 1/4 mile drag car, and has since been made fully street legal and streetable. As noted, power comes from a non-original 68 big block and heads, paired with a dual carburetor setup. The drivetrain includes a turbo 400 automatic transmission, and a 12-bolt rear axle with drum brakes. The chassis is set up for serious drag use, featuring a full roll cage, a tubbed rear, and an aluminum fuel cell mounted in the trunk. Steering and suspension upgrades include a manual rack and pinion system and tubular A-arms. The seller describes the car as running and driving very strong, while remaining comfortable enough for street use. Visually, the Camaro is finished in burgundy exterior paint, with matching burgundy leather seats. The vehicle is offered with a clean title, and the asking price is $40,000. Located in Monte Vista, Colorado. 3. 1986 Dodge Daytona Turbo Z. Price, $3,000 OBO. Location, Waterbury, Connecticut. This 1986 Dodge Daytona Turbo Z is a true 1980s performance icon, offered as a project car, making it an ideal candidate for restoration, modification, or a period-correct turbo Mopar build. Finished in classic red with a black interior, this Turbo Z features desirable T-tops, adding to its collectability and retro appeal. Powered by Dodge's turbocharged 4-cylinder engine and paired with a manual transmission, this Daytona delivers the engaging driving experience these cars are known for. The vehicle will currently run with a jump, as the battery has been sitting dead for some time and will need replacement. Additionally, the radiator leaks from one of the side tanks, which will need attention before regular driving. The car has already seen meaningful work, including a new turbo core and oil feed line. Mileage is believed to be between 55,000 and 60,000 miles when parked, though approximate. This sale includes a valuable collection of parts, along with the original window sticker and a full set of factory service manuals, all 3 volumes. These items alone add significant value for enthusiasts. Rust is present as disclosed, including bubbling at the driver's door sill, a driver's floor pan replacement needed, a rocker repair, and a small passenger side floor patch. This is not a quick flip or daily driver-ready car, but rather a solid foundation for someone who understands classic turbo Mopars. 4. 1970 Plymouth Roadrunner. Priced at $39,500. As listed, this 1970 drag-oriented Plymouth comes powered by a 440 Mopar megablock, stroked to 588 cubic inches with a high 13.5 to 1 compression ratio. The engine is fitted with Indy cylinder heads and intake, along with Bill Miller aluminum rods, which currently have approximately 80 passes on them. The car runs on C12 race fuel and features a thumper carburetor paired with a new Induction Solutions nitrous system built specifically for this setup. Power is sent through a 727 TorqueFlite automatic transmission, equipped with a 4,500 stall converter and a trans brake. Out back is a Dana rear end with 4.56 gears and a spool. The seller notes that the car has a new NHR 8.50 certified roll cage, along with new 5-point seat belts, while still retaining working lights, dash, and a complete interior. Performance-wise, the Roadrunner reportedly runs 9.32-second quarter-mile times on motor, and with nitrous has recorded a best of 8.32 seconds at 163 mph. The car remains full-bodied with all glass intact, and is described as being in immaculate condition with no rust and an original vinyl top. A Jazz 16-gallon fuel cell is also installed. The engine is currently out of the car and at Ray Barton Racing Engines for service, as the seller has decided to go in a different direction. Included in the sale are 2 extra sets of rear tires, front skinnies, nitrous components, and fluids. Finished in orange with a matching orange and black interior. The car carries a clean title. Asking price is $39,500 OBO. Located in Denver, Pennsylvania. 5. 1971 Dodge Dart Demon 340. Price $17,500. Location Warwick, Rhode Island. This 1971 Dodge Dart Demon 340 is a rare and desirable muscle car, combining classic Mopar styling with modern performance updates. Finished in vibrant red with a black interior, this Demon has only 1,111 miles since its recent mechanical rebuild, making it a near turnkey driver for collectors and enthusiasts. The vehicle is fully paid off with a clean title, and it has no significant damage, presenting a solid foundation for enjoyment or further restoration. Under the hood, the car features a clone 340 engine, upgraded with a comp cam Big Mother Thumper camshaft and lifters, along with a new timing chain. Power is routed through a newly rebuilt 727 automatic transmission, ensuring smooth and reliable performance on the street or cruise nights. This combination delivers the iconic, Hemi-like Mopar sound and aggressive performance, while retaining drivability for modern roads. The Dart Demon's body is solid, retaining its original lines and character, though the seller notes that a trunk pan replacement is needed. Extra parts are included with the sale, including an additional hood, making it a great opportunity for someone looking to complete or enhance the car. The clean exterior, upgraded drivetrain, and low mileage since rebuild make this Demon a standout example of early 1970s muscle. Perfect for collectors, weekend drivers, or those looking to showcase a rare Mopar icon. This 1971 Dodge Dart Demon 340 offers an exciting and authentic driving experience for muscle car enthusiasts. 6. 1993 Chevrolet Camaro. Priced at $18,000. According to the listing, this 93 Camaro is a street-friendly build, blending performance with everyday comfort. As noted, the car is pro-charged. It is equipped with a roll bar for added safety. It retains conveniences such as air conditioning, heat, and a radio with CD player. The exterior is finished in black, paired with a gray interior. The seller states that the Camaro runs, drives, and stops very well. It is described as having a clean title. Asking price is $18,000 OBO, and the seller is also open to trades. Located in Lubbock, Texas. 7. 1972 Chevrolet C10. Priced at $38,500 as outlined in the listing. this 72 C10 shortbed comes equipped with a 468 big block engine, paired with a Muncie M21 4-speed manual transmission that was just rebuilt with all new bearings. The drivetrain is backed by a narrowed 12-bolt rear end, with a locker and 4.11 gears. The suspension has been upgraded with coilovers on all four corners, along with a Heights front crossmember and rack and pinion steering. A hydraulic clutch setup is installed, and the clutch itself is new. The truck also benefits from new tires, a new seat, a new instrument cluster, and a complete new wiring harness. The seller notes that the truck runs cool, rides well, and drives nicely, with no rust present. It does not have a heater or radio, and only needs a speedometer cable installed, which is included, and a fuel gauge hooked up to be fully sorted. The asking price is $38,500 OBO. The seller may consider a trade for a similar value K10 or K20 from 1967 to 1972 or square body years, with flexibility up or down. Located in Sacramento, California. 8. 1968 Plymouth GTX. Priced at $35,000. According to the listing, this 68 Plymouth is a real factory GTX, configured as a street/strip car. Power comes from a built 440 Mopar big block, which the seller states is capable of 11-second quarter-mile times. The engine features a competition purple cam, adjustable lifters, upgraded heads and intake, and a reinforced bottom designed to handle up to a 200 shot of nitrous, although nitrous has never been installed. The drivetrain includes an automatic transmission with a manual valve body, along with electric water and fuel pumps and an electric cooling fan. The car is equipped with four-wheel disc brakes, line lock, and several recent updates, including new tires and a new battery. The seller notes the alternator has recently failed and will need replacement. As noted, this vehicle has been street-driven during the summer and fall, described as very torquey and compared favorably by the seller to a 10-second GT500 in terms of performance feel. The body is described as rust-free, with the original fender tag still in place, and it wears a purple exterior over a black interior. The vehicle shows 67,000 miles, holds a clean title, and is offered at a firm price of $35,000. Located in Evergreen Park, Illinois. 9. 1972 Chevrolet Nova. Priced at $60,000. Up here. As listed, this 72 Nova features a Smith Rassicraft 7.50 certified chromoly tube chassis. The car is reported to run 4.60 seconds at 155 miles per hour in the 8th mile, with a scaled weight of 3,680 pounds, including a 215-pound driver. This Nova is described as exceptionally well-sorted and balanced. Power comes from an all-aluminum 632 big block, fitted with Brodix Big Duke cylinder heads and a Moroso dry sump oiling system. The engine has 0 passes since a fresh rebuild, and previously dynoed at 979 horsepower naturally aspirated, with an astonishing 1,735 horsepower using an Induction Solutions X275 nitrous system. Engine management is handled by a Holley Dominator ECU. The drivetrain consists of a Powerglide transmission, professionally built to handle up to 2,000 horsepower, featuring a Sonax 1.58 gear set and dump valve, paired with a PTC torque converter. Power is sent to a Ford 9-inch rear end with a strange center section, 3.70 gears, and 40 spline strange axles. The rear suspension is a 4-link setup with wishbone and mincer shocks, while the front utilizes Santhif shocks. Braking is handled by strange components all around. The body is described as laser straight and exceptionally solid, finished in PPG base clear paint, and fitted with a one-piece fiberglass front end, fiberglass doors, and deck lid. The car rides on weld wheels with 14-inch rears and is built for 275 radial racing, currently set up with 315 radials. Despite its race pedigree, the seller states the car is street legal, offered with a clean title. This Nova represents a top-tier radial race build with no corners cut and is listed at $60,000, with no trades considered. Located in Canonsburg, Pennsylvania. 10. 1932 Ford 3-window coupe. priced at $24,000. As noted, this 32 Ford is a glass-body Prostreet, drag-ready hot rod. Power comes from a 421 small block, equipped with aluminum cylinder heads and a full roller valve train, with the seller estimating output at around 700 horsepower. The drivetrain features a 2-speed Power Glide automatic transmission, fitted with a Pro brake, making the car well suited for strip use while still being capable of street cruising. Safety and chassis upgrades include a funny car style roll cage and a lightweight aluminum floor. Despite its performance focus, the seller notes that the car can be used for both racing and street cruising. Importantly, it comes with a clean 1932 Ford title, offered at $24,000. Located in Grand Junction, Michigan. 11. 1967 Mercury Cougar Prostreet. Price, $49,500. Mileage, 26,375 miles. Location, New Carlisle, Ohio. A menacing blend of classic luxury and raw Prostreet muscle. This 1967 Mercury Cougar stands out in deep black with a matching black interior that amplifies its aggressive presence. Freshly restored with less than 100 miles since completion, the car started as a low-mile, rust-free example and has been transformed into a purpose-built street machine, petrol-powered and paired with a smooth automatic transmission. The drivetrain delivers strong, confident performance while maintaining streetability. Fully paid off with a clear history and no significant damage. The Cougar reflects careful craftsmanship and attention to detail throughout the restoration. Built to be admired and driven, this car offers a rare opportunity to own a freshly finished Prostreet classic that combines vintage Mercury style with modern muscle attitude and undeniable road presence. 12. 1992 Chevrolet S10 Regular Cab Short Bed Prostreet. Price, $55,000. Mileage, 600 miles. Location, Troy, Ohio. A brutal yet beautifully refined Prostreet build. This 1992 Chevrolet S10 Regular Cab Short Bed showcases extreme performance, wrapped in a clean charcoal exterior with a sharp black interior. Sitting on a custom Jim racing chassis from Dayton, Ohio, the truck features precision rack and pinion steering and a heavy-duty Dana 60 rear end engineered to handle serious power while maintaining control. With only 600 miles driven since completion, the build remains in like-new condition, blending show-quality craftsmanship with street-ready attitude. Petrol-powered and paired with an automatic transmission, the setup delivers hard-hitting performance while still offering respectable efficiency for its class. Designed to dominate both the street and the spotlight.